Hello, I'm Adam Shulberg, Senior Audiologist at Cubex Audiology here in central London, and welcome to your weekly tip. Once again, I'd like to introduce Dr. Saima Rajasingam, who is one of our team of experts at Cubex, and also an honorary lecturer at University College London. So Saima, I know they're always doing very interesting studies and fascinating work at University College, and I wonder whether there's anything that you're able to share with us this morning.
A team based at the UCL Ear Institute are involved in the REGAIN trial, which is looking at treating hearing loss by regrowing hair cells.
So hair cells, why are they an important part of the hearing process?
So when we talk about hair cells, we're not talking about the cells on your head that grow hair. We're talking about the hair cells inside your inner ear, which are responsible for detecting sound. Now, 90% of hearing loss is actually caused by damage to these hair cells or to the cells that make up the auditory nerve. And if you think about it, something that could potentially treat this type of hearing loss would have a huge impact on people.
That's incredibly exciting, it really is, because we've thought for many, many years that when there is sensorineural, when there is nerve damage, it's irreversible.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So who might be suitable candidates for this trial?
Really anybody between the age of 18 and 80 who has a hearing loss. There is more specific criteria, but if people are interested, then the best thing to do would be to get in touch with us and find out more.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you are interested and you'd like to know more, then please do look at our website, which is www.cubex.co.uk, or give us a call. And thank you very much, Saima, and thank you for watching this weekly tip.